All right, guys, what's going on? Barber CVO in the building. We're here in Secaucus, New Jersey, getting ready to do the Hawk's Nest. Got a couple of subscribers and friends coming through, and we got Mike Moto, we got Crazy Jerry, we got Dante, Eddie, and my man Bo over there. Let me show you the fellas here. What's going on? Beautiful day. Jerry was here early as hell, like always.
Because you didn't show up on time.
That's right, I fell asleep.
I said right behind him.
My boy Dante, Eddie.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to you guys.
Happy Father's Day.
What's your name, buddy?
George.
George. All right, nice. Where you coming from again?
Outside of Philly.
Philly to Secaucus. How long did it take you about?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Wow. Thank you for coming, man. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel as well. Thank you, thank you. What you got here? What kind of bike?
2017 Street Glide Special. S&S big bore.
Very, very nice two-tone, man. Love it. Did you do these two-tones or?
Yeah, I did all the vinyl wrap and pinstripe.
Okay.
The powder coating I sent out on the engine.
Yeah. Very cool. All details. All details. You got the fan right there. How does that work? Good?
It's good.
Yeah. Helps it out. You got some, damn, this is big speakers right there.
8-inch Hertz speakers, Dirty Bird lowers.
I like that. Dirty Bird lower?
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Nice and low.
I've got the Thunder Max iRide system.
Ah.
That active suspension.
S&S pipes.
Only because
Tour pack.
when I wrote his book,
Look at
me,
that.
I didn't, this is my first
Cool intake.
it doesn't
Very different.
the key is really far away. Yeah.
I like that.
Separated.
I would get that, but I have my bars on mine. I was thinking about it.
Yeah, you gotta ditch the bars.
Yeah.
That was another thing I like.
Very nice, man. All right, well, thank you for coming, man. See you on the ride in a few minutes. My man, Bo, what you got, Bo?
Assault armor, baby.
Oh, snap.
Burn out there. I gotta wear this shit.
Oh, no, yeah. Damn.
No, Dave? Who's Dave?
Nah, Dave couldn't make it. Got family things.
Yeah.
We got Mike Moto's new Street Glide. He's the one who had the white road glide and traded in for the Street Glide. He's got big plans for this. Big plans for this bike. So stay tuned for his channel, Moto Mike, on YouTube.
Every bike I had PSKs. Yeah. I loved it. Right?
Oh, this is Jerry's bike. He has so many damn bikes, I don't even know which is his bike. I was like, whose bike is this? This is Jerry's bike. Jerry's Road King, look at that. This is what I'm gonna be getting for my dog when I ride.
You gonna fit in that?
Yep. Oh, and they made ones for dogs that would just stick your head out.
So the other day when I was working, I saw a guy with a golden doodle. He had him in a backpack. He had him.
Oh yeah, I seen
And the
those.
golden doodle was like this, just chilling.
I've seen those.
You could
Yeah.
fit him.
This is my boy's brand new Road King. He's got the Mike's Pro lids. Look at this Pro lids, but
It's America as fuck, baby.
there you go. Look at that. Look at that twist.
It's the Punisher skulls.
Got his brand new Road King. And as you know, my boy Dante's bike. Last time it was cold, your nipples were cold, remember?
Yeah. Sticking out like cheese doodles.
Love this bike, man. From North Carolina. It's a beauty. Look at that. Clean. These pipes are crazy loud. Love the way they sound. And we got, let me go over there real quick. What's up, man? Doing a video for YouTube. What's your name?
Jimmy.
Jimmy, where are you from?
Colonia.
Where?
Colonia.
Colonia?
Woodbridge area.
Okay. So did you swing by here because you saw my video on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
All right, and then you're gonna meet up with us to go to the Hawk's Nest. Nice. What kind of bike you got
I was
here?
thinking about going there anyway.
Yeah. What kind of bike you got here?
A black bike.
Black bike. Oh, Victory.
A Victory Vision.
Wow, I don't think I've ever seen one in person. Yeah, I always see like the gold wings.
It's a mystery.
No, it's cool.
It's the Sasquatch.
No, it looks cool.
Yep.
Got a cigar there? Oh, that's like a cigar. Oh, it is a cigar. Oh shit. This guy's ready.
That's custom. That's not. That doesn't come with the bike. That home.
Check it out, guys. What I was telling you about. Let me focus that in, just in case you want to go for a little cigar smoke. Cool, man. All right, well, thanks.
Spot when you get your stickers. So I got a spot for
Oh,
your stickers.
that's why you asked me for a sticker. Okay. Baggers and Brews. I'm gonna be meeting up with them pretty soon.
Yeah, I broke with them a couple weeks ago in Jackson.
Yeah.
I met them actually at the World Record.
Okay. Save this spot for me right here.
You got it.
All right, man. Let's go down this ride, okay? Thank you for coming by. All right, guys, so I think this is about it. No more subscribers are coming. So we're gonna head out in about 2-3 minutes. So we're gonna get ready and head out, all right? What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here on Route 3, heading to Hawk's Nest. We got a bunch of guys behind me. I wanna thank everybody for coming out. Happy Father's Day. Great ride today, beautiful weather, about 80 degrees right now. Lovely, lovely weather. Clear skies, blue skies. So the fellas are right behind me. They're a great bunch of guys that are local guys. One guy from Philadelphia actually came by, visit us. Thank you for coming by. Trying to make sure everybody's behind me. All right, so we're gonna do a steady ride about 85 miles to the Hawk's Nest, and yeah, just sit tight, relax, and enjoy the ride. The beautiful views we got going on upstate New York. Great views, beautiful ride. I'm trying out this new microphone. Let me know what you guys think about it. I actually put it right by my shirt, hanging with a little aluminum wire that comes with the mic. So, great views out here. Love the weather. We're on I-87. Fantastic views, fantastic views. Like I said, we're going to the Hawk's Nest. We like going up there, it's a beautiful ride. I hope you guys can hear me. Like I said, I'm trying this new microphone out with a half shell. Hanging with a wire hanging going through my shirt and coming out through here, but we'll see. I don't know. Hopefully it turns out good. This is the type of setup you have when you don't have a full face helmet. it, Bo, go. Guys, so we have arrived here at the Hawk's Nest. We're about to enter the Hawk's Nest Road right now. So it's pretty exciting. On a beautiful Father's Day again. Thank you guys for coming out. I wanted to do a ride for you guys. I'm not a daddy yet, but I do have a 4-month-old doggy, which we'll be riding pretty soon. Make sure you follow his Instagram and YouTube, Harley the Wiener Dog. He's gonna be pretty soon riding next week. I'm gonna start training him to start riding. And it should be fun. So make sure you guys check him out. Harley the Wiener Dog on YouTube and Instagram. I'll put the link down below right here so you guys can check it out. Great ride. All right, so we're coming up on the twisties here at the Hawk's Nest. What a beautiful, beautiful scenery we got here. We're gonna keep on going straight, and we're gonna pull over in a few so we can check out the scenery and stuff like that. Shout outs to Queen Sid. She was here from St. Louis through Jersey and came through over here to New York so you can see the road. Beautiful road. Love the ride. Love these twisties here. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. Look at that. Man. If you're not from Jersey or New York, you gotta head over here, man. This thing's amazing. They said they actually filmed a movie here or something like that, or a commercial. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous place here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loop around real quick, and we're gonna park the bikes there and take some pictures and get talk about the Hawk's Nest. We're gonna pull over. pulled over to the side, doing the views. Great views, guys. Got a couple motorcycles over there, some sport bikes. They're there just hanging out, but pretty cool. All you see is cars go by, left and right, twisties and everything. So, all the bikes are parked here, getting ready. Check it out, check it out. Look at the views, guys, look at the views. Great views you got out here in New Jersey. Actually, this is, I think, New York, and then the other side is Pennsylvania. But we got a great ride, great ride. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the ride here to Hawks Nest. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, people, if you want to see more videos. And also I'm coming up on 2,000 subscribers. I will have a giveaway, whoever my 2,000 subscriber person is. Alright, let me know. I'll see you on the next run. Peace.